Also, doctor, if I talk about, what exactly are the symptoms of sinus? I mean, there are because there are certain symptoms of cold, but how do we differentiate that this is not just cold, but this is a bigger form? It is sinus. So how do we differentiate, and what are the symptoms?
Basically, from cold, we have to differentiate the sinus by the duration of the problem. Usually, cold problem will stay for few days only, but the sinusitis problem will stay for few weeks or few months. Usually, acute cold and acute sinusitis problem, the symptoms are same: nasal blockage, nasal discharge, facial pain, headache. These are the common. But those who have the problem more than 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, these patients will have the sinusitis problem. So mainly duration will differentiate between cold and sinusitis problem.
Okay.
More days, more chance of the sinusitis.
So, is there any particular treatment that should be taken care of, or that a sinus patient should definitely go for?
Yeah, usually once you diagnose, if there are no polyps on endoscopic examination, in CT scan also there is no much sinusitis, only minimal problem. You can treat initially 1 week, 10 days medical management, antibiotics, antihistaminics, nasal drop. After that, if there is allergy, ask the patient to go for immunotherapy. If there is any sneezing problem also, we ask the patient to take few months antihistaminic. Mainly, along with this medical management, we will ask the patient to do Jalaneti and Pranayam daily. Regularly, he has to do Jalaneti once or twice a day, same Pranayam once or twice a day for 15 minutes to half an hour. That will help him to clear the nose and to keep the nose very healthy. Along with that, we ask the patient, don't go into too much cold weather. Better to expose morning and evening little bit warm weather. Along with, we have to check the patient vitamin D levels also. If the patient vitamin D levels are low, there is a more chance of sinusitis problem. So we treat the patient from all sides. We ask the patient to avoid allergy exposure. We ask the patient to do moderate exercises and moderate sun exposure. If there is a vitamin D deficiency, we treat that vitamin D deficiency. Along with that, Jalaneti and breathing exercise will help the patient a lot.
I would also like to know, a lot of people also say that sinus is something that cannot be completely cured. So as an ENT surgeon, what would you like to tell? Can sinus be cured or not?
Yeah, if you find the problem properly, if you both the doctor and patient will target a cure of the disease, most of the times this can get cured. Basically, along with the medical management, with the doctor knowledge, patient cooperation, indirectly patient following instructions is very important. We treat the disease by medical management or surgery depending on the need. Most of the times, if there is no much sinus problem, we treat medically. If there is a much sinus problem along with the polyps, we treat with the surgery. Once after surgery, patient has to follow the main instructions of the doctor. That is immunotherapy. If there is allergy, Jalaneti and Pranayam. He has to follow this many years, indirectly or lifelong. If we follow along with the medical management, all these precautions, regular moderate physical activity, breathing exercise and pranayam, most of the times this sinus will get cured, patient will be asymptomatic. If patient will not follow these instructions and the patient will not do moderate exercise, if he exposed the dust and cold weather more and more, if his body resistance is less, maybe due to by his nature or due to other problems, diabetes, this chance of sinusitis will get cured is less. So get the proper treatment by the doctor and follow the proper lifestyle by yourself. Most of the times you get relief from the sinusitis problem.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shava Engineer, for coming to SQ TV Global and speaking with us. It was again such an informative episode, and I'm sure people must have gained so much out of this episode and out of what all knowledge you have given. So thank you again for doing the show and coming to the channel. It means a lot.
Thank you.
All right, guys, that's it from SQ TV Global. Keep on watching and do subscribe to the channel.